Hey everyone, welcome back to the garden. You might be wondering what I'm doing out here in these freezing temperatures, and yes, it is freezing. Just trying to give these beautiful boxwoods that were overwintering in these frost-free containers some extra protection with a little bit of mulch on top. I don't know about in your garden, but in my garden, squirrels love to dig holes for burying their black walnuts. So that can leave some of your plants a little bit vulnerable to freeze, especially newer plants or plants in containers. We're overwintering these boxwoods in frost-free containers, so in theory they should be okay, but if there's any holes, I'm filling them in with soil and then covering them with some extra mulch we had laying around, just to give them some added protection. And I promise this whole video is not going to be me covering pots with mulch. I actually just wanted to hop on real quick while I do this and see if there was any interest or gauge enthusiasm for me doing some live streams over the next few months. Obviously, there's not going to be a lot of gardening going on in my southeastern Pennsylvania garden over the next few months, but I don't want my channel to just go dark. I did manage to get out quite a bit of content last winter. You know, some of those videos did okay, some of them not. But I don't want to just post videos just to post videos. I mean, I could probably come up with some ideas to make videos of for the winter, like some garden plan videos for next season. Didn't get to all of our garden plans this summer, so I can probably talk a little bit about that. But I thought we could do some live streams, maybe one at the end of December, between now and the end of December, and then two each January, February, March, depending on the weather. You know, if we're lucky, we can get out in March and start gardening, but it just depends on what kind of a winter and early spring we have around here. So this year we couldn't get out till almost May to do serious gardening. So I just wanted to check in with my most ardent viewers. You know, there are a few of them, and just gauge interest for that. Honestly, I don't expect to get thousands of people to reply and to say that they're interested in doing some live streams. But I feel like maybe we can, bounce ideas off each other, learn from each other, what we did in our gardens this year. Maybe we learned some things, maybe we made some mistakes, and we can just bounce ideas off each other. You know, even if I get 5 to 10 people, I'd be happy. Because again, I don't want my channel to go dark, but I also don't want to just post videos just to post videos. Even that's what YouTube says you should do. I feel like that can have a detrimental effect. Not going to be lied to you, my channel has been struggling a little bit over the past 4 or 5 months. So I don't want it to struggle any further. So let me know in the comments if anybody would be interested in that. You know, I think it could be interesting. I think it could generate some support. I think we can, again, bounce ideas off each other. So I'd love to know your enthusiasm or lack thereof. So again, let me know in the comments. Thanks. Bye.